Hey everybody, this is Todd Walker of entropicstudio.com. I'm a digital marketing consultant. I've been in this business for about 20 years doing digital and print marketing and everything in between. My clients lately range from nonprofits, B Corps, and mission-driven businesses. That's really has been my wheelhouse as of late. Um, Things that I really want to share in on this channel are general marketing tips, talking about web design, web development, including UI UX. Which is user interface and user experience, so customer journeys, things like that in regards to the website. And then also personal and business growth. So I work with a lot of coaches over the past few years, so I just want to share the knowledge that they have imparted on me, as well as some mentors and people that I look up to and admire. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. A lot of exciting stuff coming your way, and I'm really excited to share it with you. So thanks again. Todd Walker signing out.